Monday. We made it to Monday, folks, and a good Monday to you, the 15th of March, 2021. My name is Jewel, and this is the Weather Channel of J7409. Thanks so much for clicking play, checking out the weather with me today. We got lots to talk about, but I'm going to try to get through this just as quickly as possible. We're looking at my future radar. This is just for today. It will go through 11 p.m. tonight. Now, this major winter storm's finally beginning to wind down, my friends, but it's moving eastward. As you can see, it's going to be bringing snow and ice and some rains coming up from the Gulf, and it's going to push on across. So what does this mean? Well, it looks like places that should have snowfall through this evening. Milwaukee, Wisconsin, 1 to 3 inches. Minneapolis, Minnesota, 1 to 3. Ames, Iowa, 3 to 6. Rochester, Minnesota, 4 to 8. And Sioux Falls, South Dakota, you could get 6 to 10 inches out of this system. So, how much snow did some people get throughout all of this weekend with this storm moving through? Well, Denver didn't get the highest amount as they thought, but they got enough. As it looks right now from the reports, Denver got 27.1 inches of snow. Now, the highest total Denver has got was back in 1913, 45.7 inches. Can you only imagine? Some of the snow reports from Wyoming: Windy Peak, 52.5 inches of snow. Cheyenne, 36. Yellow Pine Camp, 34.5. Deep Creek Camp, 32. As we move on along, we'll go over to Colorado. Buckhorn Mountain, 42. Aspen Springs, 40.3. Red Feathers Lake got 40. Glenhaven, 36. And Nederland got 36 inches of snow. These are all of the latest reports that are in. Of course, they may change as time goes by, but this is what it's looking like. And you can also see we got another system coming in from the West Coast, bringing some snow from parts of Oregon down in Nevada and California. If you haven't subscribed and you're into the weather, please do so. Click the little J7409 weather picture down in the bottom right-hand corner. Then click that bell and check off all. You know, some of you tell me you don't get my videos. I went in my analytics and looked, and a lot of you do not have the all checked. So you need to go back and check that out. And to my surprise, I have just as many people watch me that are not subscribed that are subscribed. So please subscribe if you're into all this weather. Severe weather. Well, today's going to be much quieter than Saturday. Saturday was a rough day for Texas, but as you can see, we do have a few strong to severe storms that are possible across portions of the southeast states, and they should happen during the afternoon and tonight hours. Now, a few storms are possible from northeast Kansas through central Missouri this afternoon, and strong to severe wind gusts, hail, and the possibility of a couple tornadoes are the main threats that are going on. As we look at the tornado threat, 2% down in Mississippi and Alabama. Missouri, that high wind threat. Missouri, same place, Mississippi and Alabama. And for the hail, same exact places at 5%. I'm not going to show you a picture for tomorrow, but it's going to ramp up. But I do want to show you this. Coming up Wednesday is going to be a very rough day for many people, especially in Arkansas, Mississippi, and Alabama, portions of western Tennessee. Folks, go ahead, prepare. When your skies start to get dark coming up Wednesday, you know what you need to do? Just do it. It's going to be a very, very rough day. This is for Wednesday, the 17th. So be prepared and stay alert. Rough weather is on the way. Here we have the NAM map. This is the 32K NAM map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. I'm going to make this short, but you need to hear this, folks. Nevertheless, that this big major snowstorm is winding down. We still have that band of moderate snow with some mixed precipitation. It's moving across the Midwest, and it should reach the upper Midwest and lower Michigan areas by tonight. Now, some mixed precipitation should also move into the central Appalachians tonight, well ahead of the weakening system. Across the deep south, expect some of these thunderstorms to move into the region today and then linger into tomorrow. And this is because of a weakening cold front. Now, the current active weather pattern, it's going to tend to repeat itself as another upper trough is forecast to move through the southwest. Now, this should bring another round of mountain snow and lower elevation rain from the west to the east, starting from California and the Pacific Northwest today, followed by the southern Great Basin and the Four Corner region by Tuesday. Now, by Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, it's looking like another significant low-pressure system will begin to intensify over the southern plains. Now, this should be less intense. That's a good thing than the storm we've just gone through. But a resurgence of the Gulf moisture into the southern plains will likely bring the next round of severe thunderstorms together with a band of very heavy rain farther north across parts of the central plains ahead of this developing warm front. Cold air on the backside of the storm once again should support moderate to possibly heavy snow spreading through the central to southern Rockies to the nearby high plains, while a band of mixed precipitation is possible farther east across the central high plains for Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. Now, some wintry precipitation is expected across the northern Rockies today, as I've told you, also tomorrow ahead of the cold front. Under this active weather pattern, dry and strong downslope winds south of the storm track, they are going to continue to promote elevated critical fire danger across parts of the southern high plains. And that's your weather for today. You have a good day. You have a safe day. And by all means, I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. And everything you do for me, folks, I really, really appreciate it. And may each and every one of you have much peace, love, and kindness in your lives today. Thanks for watching.